na nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Welcome to Serene Pampanga. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Magalang Pampanga and we were invited by Bucanan Farm Resort. So I wanna show you more about this place. If you're interested, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Aside from the room is really huge and spacious, meron tayo ditong view ng swimming pool area which is there. Ayan o. Diba? Look at that view. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nun. Ayun. Yung parang pinaka-communal area, no? So, outdoor living room area. Meron tayo ditong video okay. Section for your kitchen, working table, and then dito meron tayong parang pinaka high chaired table, so you can have your breakfast here. Ang ganda. The entire place is actually surrounded by plants, particularly mga mahogany, hence the name Mahogany Villa pala. So you get that really forest like feel, close to nature feel. Almost every inch ng lugar na to has a tree, has a plant, so you can actually enjoy really close to the nature. Wala kang mararamdaman na any city na sound or ingay, which makes it really appealing for those who wanna have weekend getaway or parang family time. I think this is very perfect now. Hi, future Samji!
Pagsikan yan.
Pila niya kilo, sir?
Dito ka sa likod. I-hold. Kayong dalawa. Sa likod. Sa likod. Sige. Dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay. Yan. Hindi, mabait yan. Ayun, hawak niya yung snake. Dali. Siya magbabay.
Video mo na.
Relax ka, no? Aside from the Mahogany Villa, isa pa sa mga naunang villa dito is this place right here. So included dun sa rate natin is this cabin, a gazebo, at saka parang function area and rooms. Now for the price of 8,000 pesos during weekdays at 12,000 pesos during weekends, isa pa sa mga sobrang napakamura na you can actually avail nga dito sa Bucanan Farm Resort is this one. Message nyo po yung fan page nila if inquire for the availability, rates, and every details na you need to know. Ayun guys, so one of the amenities na you can actually enjoy dito sa Bucanan Farm Resort is the view of Mount Arayat plus itong fish pond na to. So this is actually included dun sa property. You can also enjoy. You can bring your fishing equipments. Dapo tayo dito actually. They are allowing, no? Now, meron din tayong lawn area, which is this one. Siguro you can do camping, no, without the bonfire, pero you can set up tents. You can set up like picnic tables here. Any way you want it, pwede po dito. The pool has a small to medium size, no? This is not a really huge pool. I think it's very suitable for dips. Not that really parang makakapag-laps ka ng mga swimming dito, no? But what I like about it is, again, look at the design, look at the feel of it. Parang nasa spring pool. Alright, so yun guys, outside yung pinaka master's bedroom natin, which is this one. Meron tayong dalawang rooms. Yo! Welcome to my vlog. Hi Betty! Hi Luis! We're playing with Betty. Ayan, so tingnan natin itong room. So actually, the room is designed as loft type. It's also air-conditioned, very high ceiling. Now, yung ma-accommodate nito, let me see, no? So it has like parang 4 beds, mattresses, mga ganyan. So this can accommodate siguro 8 to 10 persons. Knock knock! Hey guys! Careful ha, no pushing. So, let's mention yung price. Ito yung price na talagang nagustuhan ko dito. Every weekdays, so Monday to Thursday, it's just 13,000 pesos. Now, Friday to Sunday, including holidays, 16,000 pesos lang naman yun. For 20 persons, 16,000 pesos. And this really huge. Ako guys, solid. Dito na ako pupunta. Dito na talaga ako magbabakasyon. If you're to ask me, dito ako talaga magbabakasyon. Mention ko lang pala guys, walang problem yung parking natin dito kasi the entire property is like more than 2 hectares. Including yung fish pond natin ha, tsaka yung additional villa na to. Now this area is for parking. Tingnan nyo naman, ang lawak guys. So ito yung gamit natin. Bubuhat na ako. Bubuhat na ako.